On November 6, 2024, Lieutenant Carey of the Clayton County Sheriff's Office Blackhawk Unit was observing traffic on Interstate 675 when he observed a motorcycle approach him at 94 miles per hour. Apparently thinking he was still in DeKalb County, he got the bright idea to flee. He very quickly realized that he was not nearly as good of a rider as he thought he was, as the Blackhawk Unit gently takes him into custody with the help of a taser.
Just two. Be advised, we only have 2 yards.
I just have Blackhawk 1 expectation.
Okay. Blackhawk 1, you clear. Only 2 units in pursuit.
Give me a hand.
Put your hands behind your back.
That's how you got it.
Man, what did I do? Shit, you didn't have to tase me, bro.
You shouldn't have ran.
Can somebody call my mom, please, or something?
Yeah, we'll let you go in a second.
It appears that eventually someone did bail out 21-year-old Antonio Dobson, as he was released from the Clayton County Jail soon after. His case is still pending in court.
Good night. And always remember, that's